Hi, this is Dr. Ross McQuivy, Chief Medical Officer at Laborie Medical Technologies. In this time of disruption and change, we're thinking about you, and our wishes for your health and well-being are stronger than ever. As such, Clinical Innovations is excited to launch our new virtual platform providing resources to healthcare providers around the world to best utilize our products. The platforms include videos, brochures, webinars, even e-simulations, and video conferencing on demand, soon to come. Our goal is to continue to support the pursuit of clinical excellence of healthcare providers around the globe, even in the face of this pandemic. I encourage you to take a look.
The CI Education page features a variety of media related to each of our products. Here you can find brochures, quick reference guides, IFUs, video content, and much more. You can also request access to our online learning platform, Litmos, through the links on the Education page. Once you have completed and submitted the Litmos login request form, a member of our team will create your account, assigning you to the relevant training courses. Litmos is a learning management system we use to store more in-depth training courses and materials. The courses include Introduction to Products, video content, e-simulations, assessments, certificates, and FAQs. You will be awarded certificates for each training course you complete. We currently offer 2 e-simulations, one for vacuum-assisted delivery, Kiwi, and one for postpartum hemorrhage, EB. Both e-simulations give you the opportunity to learn the correct procedures and techniques for each product, all packaged in an intuitive, easy-to-use simulation. Learn the 5-step technique used during a Kiwi vacuum-assisted delivery following our step-by-step guide. Practice on 6 different fetal positions, including cesarean section, and receive immediate performance feedback. The award-winning EB e-simulation training course helps you to easily familiarize yourself with the EB Complete Tamponade system. Pick your doctor, the scenario, and then step into the virtual OR to save a hemorrhaging patient. Video conference workshops play a vital role in conducting in-depth training with our products. They allow clinicians to utilize a variety of training tools and techniques, all with the support of our certified trainers. We endeavor to launch these conferences in the near future. In the meantime, enjoy your education experience and thank you for watching.